Hello everyone. Today we are going to understand Git, how to use version control system software. Uh, First project. Suppose this is my working directory demo. Now here I am going to create a file that's name is test.html. Let's suppose this is index.html. Index.html. Here it's a text file. Let me convert this into HTML file. This is showing error. This is means this is not converted into HTML. Let me convert it into HTML. Here let me save is at save as test.html. Here it's showing that a normal it's a HTML file. HTML hypertext markup language file text.html. Now HTML. Now suppose this is our file uh, HTML, and here h1 test. Now I'm going to show how to use Git software to track the update in the file. This is the file which we have created. Now here right click on this and open git bash here. So when you click on it, then there will be a window. Here you can write git status. Here it is showing that fatal not a git repository or any of the parent directory. Why it is showing? It is showing because we didn't initiated the git in this folder. So firstly we need to initiate the git folder in this, sorry, git software in this. So we need to write a command git git init. Now we can see initialized empty git repository in F. Now we can see there is a folder initiated in this directory that is not showing here because it is a hidden folder created in this file. So we need to access it. Here now go to the view option. Here we can see view. When we come to the view, then there is a option hidden items. When you click on it, then we can see there is a hidden folder that is .git, which is created in this directory, and here we can see there is lots of file are showing. So it means now git is initiated in this folder. So this is the process to initiate the git in this particular folder. I hope you understand this. Thank you. If you required any kind of help in your academic projects or in any assignment, you can let me know. Thank you.